Cheers, Dave.
110, oh well.
Alrighty, we got a bag of potatoes and Mr. Potato Head, and we're recalibrating the ammo to be a certain caliber. I would say that caliber would be in the 500 range, which is
bigger than a 50 cal.
yeah, that's a lot bigger than anti-aircraft. That's anti-tank caliber, definitely anti-tank caliber. So some of them we're going to freeze and some we're going to leave raw. And we're going to check out some carnage afterwards.
And the rest he's making chips with.
All right, look at those little thin edges. We can fry those up and make something good. We have a victim who's willing. A man standing alone in his field. He's out standing in his field, and this is the cannon.
Windsor boy.
This tank holds compressed air, which we just filled up with our compressed air line. Switch. It's got a valve from an irrigation system that works electronically. Large diameter output for maximum airflow. We got a wad of paper shoved down there, and we have some potato peels. So nothing is going to cause internal hemorrhaging. And we're going to shoot that coward who keeps running away farther and farther. I won't pick you up hitchhiking no matter how much leg you show me.
We'll just test it out.
Oh!
Lucky's still hitting pretty good.
I want you to scream like a girl when you get hit. Now, this kid made this for a science project.
Joseph Rota.
Did you pass?
Definitely.
What mark did you get?
87.
How do you shoot that? Or what's positive or negative?
It makes no difference. Did you get him? Well, now you're a peeler. You just got hit by a potato peel. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah. Lovely. Oh.
Wow.
Now imagine what a real potato would feel like instead of a peel.
I might do it later. Getting some more beer.
We're going to see if, is this raw potato or potato peel?
Raw potato.
Raw potato, not frozen. See if it breaks a window on a Cavalier.
And fire. Dude.
It does! You broke my car, you bastard!
Yeah! It went through both!
No, the other one didn't have a window.
Oh!
Hey, now we gotta try front windshield. Oh, cool. Now we gotta try front windshield. It's got slopage.
Oh my god!
So imagine it getting hit with that.
Oh my god! Insane. I cannot believe that. I was just like, boosh.
Okay, front windshield now.
Front windshield, here we go.
Raw potato, front windshield not froze.
Mother.
Young anarchist. He may only look 16, but he's actually 18. All right, we're doing the ammo deflecting front windshield because it's on an angle. Just like modern tanks, they make their side armor on an angle for deflection purposes. We're adding 120 pounds of compressed air.
Okay, ready.
3, 2, 1.
Put it on. Put it on.
You can't. We have smudgage. I like the echo effect.
Killing my ears.
Okay, now we're trying armor piercing artillery. We haven't done any damage to that window yet. Okay. That's random caliber, of course.
Whatever works.
And some precise ramming. You got your paper ball in there? Yeah.
It looks like you're like
120. Okay.
oh, you should
All right, here, watch the windshield now.
3, 2, 1, find the hole! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah, see that? That's armor piercing.
There we go.
There you go. Cool. Now we have a diesel head bolt shoved through a potato, soon going to be rammed down there to see if it works as armor piercing artillery.
Yeah. Do it again! Do another!
Well, she's right tight good.
Oh! Wow! I don't know if it went sideways or it went through, but definitely made a difference.
You need a slow-mo cam now.
No, it must have went sideways.
Look at that. Almost right through the
Oh,
right through.
the windshield.
Well, my Camry's out finally, and he loves it. You love this car, don't you?
This thing's awesome.
It's a rocket ship.
Oh, it is. Wish the driveway was longer.
Hey!